Finally, we're starting quality assurance process hierarchy guide. First of all, we need to review official testing definition. Testing is the process of analyzing a software item to detect the differences between existing and required conditions. Other words, might be found some kind of defects, errors, bugs, and to evaluate the features of the software item. In other words, software testing is a way to ensure that product matches expected acceptance quality standards, and your responsibility is to evaluate expected product functionality and retest defects discovered before production deployment. This is the structure of your particular project, quality assurance responsibility and functionality. First of all, for your particular project, quality assurance is divided by two parts: functional testing and non-functional testing. Functional in green and non-functional is in blue colors. Let's take a look at functional. Functional is divided by four major parts. First of all, when you are provided a test when you are being provided a testing environment, you need to run so-called smoke. Sometimes it's called sanity, and in some organizations it's called shakedown testing. You need to ensure that integration environment is okay and you can start testing. Simply speaking, run a few major tests end to end. Ensure that all parts are well connected. After which you start actual, most important part, project functional suite, where you test all new functionality features. After you finish with functional suite, you run and start regression suite, regression test cases. Regression test cases are separate cases to ensure that old functionality is not negatively impacted by new functionality for some particular software product. And finally, your work for functional and regression will be reviewed by user acceptance testing. Let's take a look at non-functional in blue color. Basically speaking, non-functional is divided for performance, scalability, security, and usability. We will take a closer look soon.